If you made it to this video, that means that you already understand the value that certifications provide. Certifications such as the Project Management Professional, the Agile Certified Practitioner, the Certified Associate Project Management, or the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification. While talking to some service members recently, I learned that some of them feel intimidated by the process of requesting credential assistance. With this video, hopefully I can simplify the process so that you can take advantage of this opportunity. This video will be broken in 4 sections, covering what is Credential Assistance or CA, who qualifies for CA, what is required for CA, and lastly, what is the process for the application. So what is Credential Assistance? Credential Assistance was created to support soldiers' professional development, retain quality soldiers, and prepare soldiers for meaningful employment upon transition from the military service. Each fiscal year, each soldier can use up to $4,000 of combined money with Credential Assistance and tuition assistance. Courses are funded prior to the start of the course, and this avoids the requirement of you having to pay for courses beforehand. This money covers credential expenses for the classroom, such as hands-on, online, blended training, study guides, materials, textbooks, fees, exams, and recertification of credentials. PM ProLearn is an approved and vetted vendor by the SS and Army U, who qualifies and what is required. All soldiers, active duty, Army National Guard, U.S. Army Reserves of all ranks, enlisted NCOs, officers, and warrant officers without incurring any service obligation can take advantage of Credential Assistance. You must be in good standing, meaning you must not be flagged. It is something that you must take a serious commitment, because if you fail or you withdraw from the course, you will be responsible for repaying the funds. With this chart, we can see the process of what is required for all the different steps until the completion of the course. It's important to remember that you must request Credential Assistance 30 days before the start date of the actual course. So to find out when the courses start, we simply navigate to the PM ProLearn website, click on Schedule Courses, select the course that you're interested on, and here you can see the different dates to start the start for each individual class. So you just simply select your area, in this case the East Coast, and you can see all the information about the course. The next step is to request a quote. In order to do that, you must first identify everything that we talked about as far as the schedule for the class, and simply navigate to the Request Funding Invoice link. You click on it. Once you do that, fill out all the information, and once you send the request, you will get an email. The email will look like this, and this is the same document that we must upload into the Army Ignited to get Credential Assistance. Let's log on to the Army Ignited website. The website looks like that to simply get started. Hopefully you have an account. If not, then just get an account. I have already logged in. Mine looks like this. So up here we have Education Path, Credential Assistance, Program Path, Find an Ed Center, and Support. We'll use Credential Assistance. We must first add the credential. Select Other. Next. New credential. Next. And here you can simply type the credential that you're looking for. PMP. Next. Agree to the Statement of Understanding. And you have just submitted your first piece, which is the adding the certification path. Next. We continue the course. Select the course that you added. Select the training provider. The easiest way to find PM ProLearn is to hit Online, select page 9 or index 9, and you will find it right here. Select Next. These are all the materials included in the course. And in this case, it's saying this is how much I will have to pay because I'm already over my budget for this year. This is where you will upload the same file that we discussed earlier for your invoice. Once you add your invoice, you continue and submit the request. Once you submit the request, you will receive 2 emails. One saying that it was received and that your application or request have been transferred to the finance department, and then the next one, it will be your approval for the actual course. That email request typically shows up about 3 days before the actual start, either 3 or 2 days before the start of the course. Once you complete the course and complete the exam, it's important that you take the proof of passing that exam and submit it back into the Credential Assistance website. Under Credentials, you can verify the status of the actual request by going under the request. You will see all the information that we talked about. And once you're actually completed with the course, it's important for you to go back in here and then upload the documentation or proof that you have completed the course and the exam. In this other certification, you can see how it would look when you have to upload the completion file so that it could close the case. Well, I hope this video make you feel more comfortable about using Credential Assistance. Hopefully I was able to simplify the process, and I would love to hear if you actually take a certification, and good luck to you.